Get ready for a wild ride. Can you guess these 20 animals? This easy level quiz is packed with clues to help you spot some of the most familiar animals out there. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button on Trivia Learner for more exciting challenges and brain-teasing quizzes. Let's get started. I am the tallest land animal with a long neck that helps me reach high leaves. What am I? Giraffe. I am known for my black and white stripes. Each of us has a unique pattern, like fingerprints. What am I? Zebra. I live in the ocean, have 8 tentacles, and I can change color to blend in with my surroundings. What am I? Octopus. I am the fastest land animal, reaching speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. What am I? Cheetah. I am a bird that cannot fly, but I'm an excellent swimmer and have a tuxedo-like appearance. What am I? Penguin. I have a powerful trunk that I use to drink, grab food, and communicate. I am the largest land mammal. What am I? Elephant. I am a nocturnal mammal with excellent hearing, known for hanging upside down in caves. What am I? Bat. I am famous for my colorful fan-like tail and am often seen in art and mythology. What am I? Peacock. I am the largest mammal on Earth and live in the ocean. My songs can be heard over long distances. What am I? Blue whale. I am a small, spiky mammal that curls into a ball when threatened. What am I? Hedgehog. I am known as the king of the jungle and have a majestic mane. What am I? Lion. I have a strong shell for protection and can live both in water and on land. What am I? Turtle. I am known for my bright red-orange fur and live in rainforests, swinging from tree to tree. What am I? Orangutan. I am a marsupial from Australia, known for my pouch and strong jumping ability. What am I? Kangaroo. I am small and known for collecting nuts, often burying them to find later. What am I? Squirrel. I am a reptile with scales and am known for my ability to change color. What am I? Chameleon. I am a giant bear that loves bamboo and have black and white fur. What am I? Panda. I am known for building dams and lodges and have strong, sharp teeth. What am I? Beaver. I am a scavenger bird with a bald head and often symbolize renewal in nature. What am I? Vulture. I am a flightless bird native to New Zealand, with a long beak and a great sense of smell. What am I?
Kiwi.